Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for travel and tourism industry. Suppose I am having a travel and tourism business for which I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and now I want that whenever a new lead will be generated through my Facebook page ad, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that new lead. So how we are going to do this process automatically and effortlessly? For that we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now what we are going to do, we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger, and in action we can take any other application through which we want to send the WhatsApp template message, such as Interact or AI Sensei. And now we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that new lead. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically send a WhatsApp message to our Facebook leads for travel and tourism industry. And in order to send the WhatsApp template message, I am going to use Interact here. You can use any other application through which you want to send the template message. Okay. Now in order to create this automation, we will have to integrate Facebook lead ads with Interact. And for that, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now here, this is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this home page, we can find two options here: sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account, and it is going to take only 2 minutes. Also, at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software. Now because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all app section of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Now to create this workflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it is going to take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows, and we can also create multiple folders here in order to save the workflow. So as you can find that I have created 2 folders over here. In this test integration folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. Okay, so in the same manner, you can save your workflows in different folders. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner. So let's click on it, and a dialog box will appear in front of us. So this is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let us first provide a name. So I have given the name as send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads. Okay, so I have given the name to my workflow according to the motive. You can give any name to your workflows as per your choice. Okay, now here after giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save our workflows. So from the drop down, I have selected the folder as test integration. Okay, now let's click on create. And as we do that, we can find that 2 windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the basic concepts or the basic principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. We can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose in this workflow, we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Interact in our action. And we want that whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that new lead with the help of Interact. Okay, now after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we will have to select our trigger application, which is Facebook lead ads. So let's select it. And now we will select the trigger event. So in trigger event, we are going to select new lead instant, as we want that whenever a new lead will be captured through Facebook lead ads, this workflow should get triggered. Okay, so we have selected the trigger event, and now we will have to click on connect. Here from the given options, I am going to select add new connection. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. After clicking on add new connection, we have to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And since I was already logged into my Facebook account, the authorization has become successful very easily. Okay, so you also have to keep in mind always to keep login to your Facebook account before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect, as it makes the connection simple and easier. And now we have to select the Facebook page and the lead gen form associated with it. Okay, so in order to understand that, let me first take you to my Facebook account. And after coming on my Facebook account, we can find that I have the option of several pages over here. Among these options, this is the page which is named as my tour guide, which I have created for my travel and tourism business. Okay, and I want to promote this business with the help of lead gen form. So I want that whenever a new lead will be generated through that lead gen form, automatically the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, and for that we will have to select the page and the lead gen form here in these fields. Okay, so first of all, let us select the page. So this is the page, my tour guide. And the form associated with it is already selected over here as new contact form. So from the given options, I want to select new contact form, as I want that whenever a new lead will be generated through this form, the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, So I have selected the form and the page. Now we will click on save and send test request. And here, as we have clicked on save and send test request, we can find that it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to do a test submission so that the response could be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And how we are going to do that? By filling up the form. Okay, now in order to do that test submission, let me take you to Meta for Developers. And here, after coming on Meta for Developers, we have to go on My Apps. After coming on My Apps, we can find the option of Tools. When we will click on it, it is going to take us towards Developer Tools. Under Other Developer Tools, we can find the option of Lead Ads RTU Debug Tool. Let's click on it. And it will take us towards Lead Ads Testing Tool. Now this tool is going to help us in order to test our integration. So basically, with the help of Lead Ads Testing Tool, we are going to test our integration by filling up the form, and as soon as we will fill the form, the response is going to be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's fill the form. First of all, we have to select the page from the drop down, and this is the page My Tour Guide, and automatically the form associated with it is selected over here. Now we will click on preview form. So this is the form which we have to submit in order to capture the response. So basically I have created this form in order to contact with my lead. So whenever a person is going to fill this form, automatically the response is going to be captured, and after that, by using that same response, a WhatsApp message will be sent to the same lead. Now here I am going to enter the details. First of all, it is asking us for first name. So I am going to enter a random name here. Let's say test user, a random email, and a random phone number. Okay, so after entering all the details, let's click on next. And we will click on submit. So our form is submitted. Now let's go back on Pabbly Connect, and here we can find that as soon as we have filled the form, the response is being captured over here. We have received all the details: first name, last name, email, and phone number. Now by using this response, we are going to send a WhatsApp message to this lead. So let's move towards our action step. And now here in the action application, I am going to select Interact. You can use any other application through which you want to send the WhatsApp template message, such as AI Sensei or Cloud API. Okay, so let me select Interact here. And now in the action event, we have to select Send WhatsApp Template Message. Click on Connect. And now from the given options, I am going to select Add New Connection to build a new connection with Interact. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. After clicking on Add New Connection, we have to enter a secret key over here. Now to find that, we have to go in the settings sections in Interact account, and after that, under developer settings, we will find our secret key. We can even go there with the help of this hyperlink. So let's click on it. And it has directly taken me towards developer settings page. And now here I can find the secret key. So I will simply copy it and paste it over here in Pabbly Connect. Done. Click on save. And our Interact account is connected with Pabbly Connect. So now we have to enter the details given over here. So first of all, it is asking us for the country code and the phone number. So if you have not received the phone number in the response along with the country code, then you have to use these two fields. That is, you have to enter the country code and phone number separately. But if you have received the phone number along with the country code in your response, then you can use full phone number field. That means basically you have to use either of the field. So let's go and check whether we have received full phone number in the response or not. And we can find that yes, we have received the full phone number in our response. So we are going to use full phone number field. So simply I'm going to map the phone number by using the previous step like this. And here we can find the phone number is given over here. We have selected it and it is mapped. Now because we have mapped this data instead of entering it manually, it is going to change with every new response. But if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change. Therefore, in order to automate the entire process, we use mapping so that when this workflow will run in real time, we will not have to change every step manually, but all the details will be replaced automatically along with the new response. Now the next is we have to enter the template code name. So to understand that, let me take you to Interact account, and after coming on it, we have to go on the template section from the left side. And here we have to click on active, and we can find multiple templates over here. Now this is the template which is named as My Tour Guide, which I have created for sending template message to my travel and tourism leads. Okay, so I will open it and show you. So the name of the template is My Tour Guide and the category is marketing. And I have selected the language as English and in the header, but you can select any option such as text, image, video or document if you want to add with the message. Okay, so this is the preview of the message which I want to send to the leads. So it has the body as hello, first variable, thank you for contacting. We have received your response and someone from our team is soon going to connect with you and will explain you about our offers on the contact details shared by you. Your details are name, email and contact. Thank you, MTG. Okay, so MTG is the name of the company. So in order to customize this message, I have used variables. In the same manner, you can use as much variables you want in order to customize your message. Now in the place of this first variable, the first name of a person will come, and in the same manner, email and contact will be added over here, and in the same manner, email and contact will come here. So because we have used variables, every time according to the new response, these fields are going to be changed with the new details of new person. Okay, so in this way, variables can help us to customize our message according to each and every lead. Now the next is footer. So if you want to add a short line or text in the footer, you can also use the footer option. Okay, and you can even attach a call to action button or a quick reply button with this message, but I do not want it now for this message. Okay, and after preparing your template, you have to send it once for approval. Once it will get approved, you can use it to send the template messages. So here we can find that my tour guide template is approved, so I can use it to send messages. So let us go back on Fably Connect, and now we have to enter the template code name. So we will find the template code name by clicking on our template, and after selecting the template, we have to go on the URL. So this is the URL of this template, and in between the URL we can find that the name of the template is given over here. So I will simply copy it, and this is my template code name. Okay, now I'm going to paste it here in Fably Connect. Done. So in the same manner, you have to find your template code name by looking on the URL of your template. Okay, now let's move on, and here we have to enter the language code. So I have used English language for my template, and it is given that if you have used English language, then this is the code. So I will simply copy it and I will paste it over here. Done. But in case if you have used any other language, you can go on this hyperlink and you will find all the codes of different languages here. So you can simply copy that and then you can paste it in this field in Fably Connect. Okay, now the next is header values. So I have kept the header as none, so I am ignoring this field. If you have added any image or video in the header, you can attach the URL of the same here in this field. Now the next is body variables. So this is very important field. Here we have to enter the values for our variable. So whatever variables we have used, now we have to enter the value one by one for each of them. So it is given that if you have used more than one variable, then you have to enter the value by using comma and a space. So because I have used more than one variable, I am going to enter each and every value with the help of a comma and a space. So basically I am going to map the details here in the place of variables by using Facebook Lead Ads response. So in the first variable, the value is first name, so I will simply select the first name from here and it is mapped. Now I will use a comma and a space and we will map the value for the next variable, and for that we want to map the full name, so I will map the full name here by mapping first name and last name together. Okay, now we will again use a comma and a space, and the next is email, so it is mapped, comma, space, and at last the contact number. Done. So we have mapped all the values here. Now because we have mapped the values, every time a new response will be captured in Fably Connect, automatically these fields are going to be replaced with another response. Now after mapping the variables, let's move on, and here if you have attached call to action button, then you have to use these two fields also, but because I have not used call to action button in my message, therefore I am ignoring them. Now after entering all the details, we simply have to click on save and send test request. But before that, because I have used a dummy phone number in order to show you the mapping, now I am going to enter a correct phone number so that a real message could be sent. Okay, so let me enter a real phone number here. Done. Now we will click on save and send test request, and we can find that we have received the response here, and the message is queued for sending via Interact, and along with the message we have also received the ID of this message. That means the message has been sent. So let's go and check on WhatsApp. And here we can find that yes, we have received the message. Hello Tess, thank you for contacting. We have received your response and someone from our team is soon going to connect with you. Your details are name, email and contact. Thank you MTG. So because we have received the message here, that means we have successfully built an integration between Facebook Lead Ads and Interact. And in this way, very easily by following the steps, you can easily create an automation which will enable you to automatically send WhatsApp messages to your Facebook leads for your travel and tourism business. Okay, so this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Fably Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@fably.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.fably.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Fably Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.